subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine and healthy. Students, in previous chapter you studied about sets and operation on various sets, and then students in previous lecture we have studied one another operation that is known as Cartesian product. But today I am going to start students relation. So students, relation in our day-to-day life we come across many relations such as mother and child, doctor and patient, teacher and students. In mathematical also we come across relation such as A is subset of B, X is subset of Y, and another relation students, number X is 4 times of the number Y, and line L parallel to line M. Like that student, P is a factor of Q. So we note that a relation involves pair of objects in a certain order students. So in this chapter we will learn how to link pair of objects from two sets and then introduce relation between two objects in a pair students. So first of all we will learn relation. What is a relation? So a relation R from a set A to set B is subset of the Cartesian product A cross B, which is obtained by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the order pair in A cross B students. Thus, if R is a relation from A to B, then R is a subset of A Cartesian product B students. So students, relation जो है सेट A से सेट B में एक रूल्स होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल R is equal to, relation is equal to 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9 is a relation from set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and to set B 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So students, अगर हम A क्रॉस B फाइंड करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, A क्रॉस B तो बहुत से एलिमेंट आने वाले हैं. A क्रॉस B is equal to 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10, then 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, then 2, 7, 2, 8, and then 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 7, 3, 8, then 4, 7, then students 4, 7, 4, 8, 4, 9, 4, 10, 4, 11 and then 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 9 etc स्टूडेंट्स. तो A क्रॉस B हमने स्टूडेंट्स फाइंड किया तो बहुत से ऑर्डर पेयर्स आ रहे हैं. कितने ऑर्डर पेयर आने वाले हैं स्टूडेंट्स? इसमें देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, इसमें देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर स्टूडेंट्स 6 into 5 30 होंगे. बट रिलेशन में कितने ऑर्डर पेयर्स गिवन हैं? 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9, जो इसी में से आया होगा स्टूडेंट्स. ये देखो 4, 7 तो 4, 7, देन 5, 8 तो 5, 8 और आगे तक करेंगे तो और सब रिलेशंस इसमें से आ जाएंगे। तो फाइनली स्टूडेंट्स, रिलेशन इज अ सबसेट ऑफ द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट। जो रिलेशन आया स्टूडेंट, ए क्रॉस बी में से ही आ रहा है, क्योंकि 4 7 भी इसमें बिलोंग करता है, 5 8 भी इसमें बिलोंग करता है, 6 9 भी इसमें बिलोंग करेगा स्टूडेंट्स। सो रिलेशन इज ऑलवेज सबसेट ऑफ द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट्स स्टूडेंट्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट वन एंड एग्जाम्पल सेकंड वन स्टूडेंट्स, if R is a relation from set A -2 -1 0 1 2 is given to set B 0 1 4 9 10 by rules A related to B implies that A square equal to B। तो स्टूडेंट्स इसके कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में से हम वही एलिमेंट लेने वाले हैं स्टूडेंट्स जो ऐसा रिलेशन रखता हो, ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी आए, ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी। सो ऑल फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज नोन एज ए। तो -2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, -2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, क्या आने वाला है 4। इट मींस -2 रिलेटेड टू 4 स्टूडेंट्स, -2 रिलेटेड टू 4। देन -1 स्टूडेंट, -1 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1। सो -1 related to 1 students, this is here। then students 0 is equal to 0 square means 0 related to 0 students, 0 related to 0। similarly 1 का स्क्वायर 1 ही होगा, 1 related to 1, and again 2 का स्क्वायर 4 होगा, 2 related to 4। this is the relation students। So R can be described, R is equal to in order pair form 0 0 -2 4 0 0 -2 4 -1 1 and 1 1 स्टूडेंट 1 लेंगे तो 1 ही आने वाला है, 1 1 2 4। दिस इज द रिलेशन स्टूडेंट्स। सो students, we conclude that relation is a subset of the Cartesian product which is obtained by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of order pair, like that A square is equal to B, where A is a first element and B is a second element। तो स्टूडेंट जो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करते हैं, रिलेशन उसी में से कोई एक होता है जो कि किसी रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग लिखा होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट रिलेशन स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट रिलेशन 4 इज इक्वल टू क्या लिखा है स्टूडेंट 4 + 3। 5 इज इक्वल टू क्या लिखा है स्टूडेंट 5 + 3। इट मींस इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इस रिलेशन को स्टूडेंट्स, A इज इक्वल टू B is equal to A plus 3, B is equal to A plus 3। तो A की वैल्यू स्टूडेंट 4 लेंगे तो सेकंड वाला एलिमेंट B is equal to 4 plus 3, A is equal to 5 लेंगे तो B is equal to 5 plus 3 8। देन A 6 लेंगे स्टूडेंट तो 6 plus 3 9। सो दिस इज द रिलेशन स्टूडेंट्स। रिलेशन क्या होता है, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का सबसेट होता है जो किसी रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग लिखा होता है, किसी रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग। फॉर एग्जांपल इन फर्स्ट वन B is equal to A plus 3 and in second one A square is equal to B स्टूडेंट। इस एग्जांपल फर्स्ट में स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल किसके अकॉर्डिंग लिखा है, A रिलेशन B implies that B is equal to A plus 3 स्टूडेंट। ये फर्स्ट वन एग्जाम्पल का रिलेशन है और ये सेकंड वन एग्जाम्पल है स्टूडेंट्स। तो नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द डोमेन, रेंज एंड कोडोमेन स्टूडेंट्स, डोमेन, रेंज एंड कोडोमेन। सो pause the video and write down the definitions। Then students, domain of the relation. Students, the domain of the relation is the set of all first element of the order pair in A cross B. Students, example of relation is given that R is equal to 4, 7, 5, 8 and 6, 9. Therefore, domain equal to student all first set of all first elements 4, 5 and 6. So students, domain 4, 5 and 6. And codomain students, the whole set of B is known as codomain student. Whole set of the B. So codomain, all element of set B is known as codomain students. Therefore, codomain 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Students, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Codomain B is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Student, according to definition, what is the codomain? The whole set of the B is known as codomain students. Then range students. The range of the relation is set of all second element of the order pairs. Order pair के जो भी second elements होते हैं students, that is range. Otherwise, it is also known as image. Image or range is same students. The range of R is the set of all second elements of the order pairs. Otherwise, the image of the relation is the set of all second element of the order pair. Otherwise, all the second element is known as image of the all first elements. So, students, range 7, 8 and 9, all second elements. So, range is equal to students, range 7, 8 and 9. Students, range are image 7, 8 and 9 students. So, I hope you all are getting it very well. What is a domain, what is a codomain and what is a range or image of the relation. Students, डोमेन क्या होता है? ऑर्डर पेयर के सभी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट का कलेक्शन का सेट जो होता है दैट इज नोन एज डोमेन. कोडोमेन क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? सेट बी, सेकंड वाला सेट के सब एलिमेंट दैट इज नोन एज कोडोमेन स्टूडेंट्स. रेंज क्या होता है? दोज एलिमेंट विच इज रिलेटेड टू फर्स्ट वन, अदरवाइज द set of the collection of the all second element of the relation is known as range students. Range is equal to 7, 8 and 9. And in this example students, in this example, domain all first elements, domain 0, -2, -1, 1, 2, 0, -2, -1, 1, 2. And codomain students, codomain all element of set B. Set B students 0, 1, 4, 9 and 10. 0, 1, 4, 9 and 10. And range student, range or image. Range or image students. Range or image. Image all second element of given order pair. So 0, 4, 1, 1, 4. तो रिपीट नहीं करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. 0, 1 and 4. This is a image. What is the difference between codomain and image or range students? Codomain में एक 10 extra है, but all element of range is always subset of the codomain. Therefore students, this is the very important concept, very important concept. Range is subset of the codomain student. Range is always subset of codomain students. So I hope you all are getting it very well. Domain, codomain, range, image, and range is also subset of the codomain, students. Then we will discuss how to represent a relation, how many methods to represent a relation, students. So there are three methods to represent a relation. There are three methods, students. So students, a relation may be represented algebraically either by the roster method or by the set builder form method. A relation may be represented algebraically. relation represent करने के students, relation may be represented algebraically. Students, relation may be represented algebraically either by the roster method, or students, either by the roster method or by set builder form method. By set builder form method, students. So example 1, given that r is equal to 4, 7. So students, relation r is equal to 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9, represented by roster method. This is the roster method, students. Represented by roster method, student. रोस्टर मेथड, ये रिलेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करने का रोस्टर मेथड है, स्टूडेंट्स. देन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म मेथड, स्टूडेंट्स. सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म मेथड, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म मेथड, स्टूडेंट्स. सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म मेथड, स्टूडेंट्स. R is equal to order pair AB such that B is equal to A plus 3, such that B is equal to A plus 3, students. This is the set builder form method. So students, relation को हम दो मेथड से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे algebraically. दो मेथड से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे जैसे हम सेट को रिप्रेजेंट करते थे. फर्स्ट वन है roster method, it means separately all order pair. And second one, students, set builder form, it means property method, students. So R is equal to AB where B is equal to A plus 3. And third one method है student, an arrow diagram in visual representation of relation. Arrow diagram, students. This is the student first method, this is the second method, and third one, and arrow diagram, visual representation, students. Arrow diagram, visual representation. So students, set A and set B, students. Set A in second example, student, set A is given 0, -2, -1, 1, 2. Set A. And set B, students, 0, 1, 4, 9 and 10, students. So in arrow diagram visual representation method students, zero related to students, zero related to जीरो हमने लिखा हुआ था यहां स्टूडेंट, r इज इक्वल टू 0 0 -1 1 -2 4 2 4 1 1 students. This is the relation in example 2. So 0 related to 0 students, -2 related to 4 students, -1 related to 1 students, 1 also related to 1 students, and 2 related to 4 students. So this is the arrow diagram visual representation of the relation. ऐसे स्टूडेंट अगर सेकंड वन को फर्स्ट वन को रिप्रेजेंट करना होता है हमें, तो फर्स्ट वन को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स 4 7 5 8 6 9 इस तरह से सेट ए और बी हम बना लेते, तो ये हो जाता है स्टूडेंट जो सेट ए में एलिमेंट्स आते हैं, ऑल एलिमेंट इज नोन एज डोमेन एंड ऑल एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट बी इज नोन एज कोडोमेन स्टूडेंट्स, एंड 0 1 4 is range or image of the relation students. So I hope you all are getting it very well, what is a relation and how to find the relation, how to represent a relation, how many methods to represent a relation, what is a domain, codomain, range and image students. So we will move exercise 2.2 question number 1 students. So exercise 2.2 question number 1. So students, question number 1 in exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 student, question number 1. Question number 1 students, A is equal to 1 2 3. Exercise 2.2 question number 1 students. 1. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 to 14 and define a relation R from A to A or from A to A student. Only one set is given, A to A, by formula R is equal to XY order pair XY, where 3x minus y equal to 0 students, and XY belongs to set A students. Depict the relation using an arrow diagram. Write down the domain and codomain. Depict the relationship using an relationship using an arrow diagram and write down the domain, codomain and range. Write down the domain, codomain and range students. So solution of the question 1 students, R is equal to XY students. Solution R is equal to XY, where 3x minus y equal to 0 and XY belongs to A students. It means students, A is given 1 2 3 up to 14. And students, a relation is given 3x minus y equal to 0, 3x equal to y equal to 3x students. Y is equal to 3x. So this is the formula to finding the relation student according to question. And all element of x and y related to set A students. So R is equal to, first we'll take one student. If x equal to 1, student, then y is equal to 3 into 1, 3. So first order pair 1 and 3. And second one student, we will take 2, then 2 into 3 student, 2, 6. If x equal to 2, therefore y is equal to 3 into 2 student, 6. Then 3, 9 student, 4, 12 student, and 5, 15. But student, think about that. 5 and 15. 15 does not belongs to set A students. Therefore, 5, 15 does not valid order pair in the given relation students. Therefore, relation are this student. R is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Therefore, students, domain is equal to all first element of the relation 1, 2, 3 and 4. And also students, codomain. All second elements of the set B student, but only set A is given. It means student, relation are always subset of A cross A. स्टूडेंट, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि फर्स्ट सेट भी ए है, सेकंड सेट भी ए है. तो ऑल एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए कोडोमेन हो गया 1, 2, 3 ... 14. एंड रेंज स्टूडेंट्स, रेंज all the second element of the order pair is known as range. Second element of the relation students, range is equal to 3, 6, 9 and 12. Otherwise value of y is always range students. X equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 into 3, 9. X equal to 4, then y equal to 3 into 4, 12. And we will take x equal to 5, then y is equal to 15, not belongs to the given set student. This is the range, codomain and domain students. And depict the relationship using an arrow diagram students. Using an arrow diagram students. This is the set A and this is the set B students. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 students. And set B students. But in relation is given R is equal to A cross A. Then second set is also A students. Second set is also A. So, Venn diagram students. 1 related to 3. 2 related to 6, 3 related to 9 and 4 related to 12 students. This is the arrow diagram. This is the arrow diagram students. Arrow diagram. So this is the final solution of the question number 1 students. First of all, find the relation. Relation R is equal to xy, where 3x minus y is equal to 0. It means y is equal to 3x. If we put x equal to 1, then y equal to 3 into 1, y equal to 3 into 2, y equal to 3 into 3, y equal to 3 into 4. And if we will take y is equal to 3 into 5, then 15 does not belongs to the given set students, therefore the relation. So question number second one students, we will move question number second one. If any doubt student, comment in comment section. Those who are watching the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment your name in comment section students. अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करना ना भूलें स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2 students. Define a relation or on the set N of natural number by R is equal to xy such that y equal to x plus phi. Students, x is a natural number less than 4, where x is natural number less than 4 students. So depict this relationship using roster form and arrow diagram. Write down the domain and range. रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है स्टूडेंट्स, रोस्टर फॉर्म एंड एरो डायग्राम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रोस्टर फॉर्म और एरो डायग्राम में लिखना है. सो R is equal to students solution, R is equal to xy, where y is equal to x plus phi and x is natural number less than 4 student, less than 4. It means student x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Therefore students, y is equal to x plus phi, y is equal to 1 plus phi 6, y is equal to 2 plus phi 7, y is equal to 3 plus phi 8 student, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. पुट अप कर दिया तो आया स्टूडेंट y की वैल्यू. इट मीन्स r is equal to students 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. This is the relation students, and arrow, this is the roster form students. रोस्टर फॉर्म में क्या करते हैं, सेपरेटली सब ऑर्डर पेयर को लिख देते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. देन एरो डायग्राम स्टूडेंट्स, एरो डायग्राम सेट ए and set B, 1, 2, 3 students, and 1 related to 6, 2 related to 7, 3 related to 8 students. So R is equal to student, this is the set A and set B. So this is a arrow diagram students, and domain of the relation. So domain students, domain set of all first elements, domain is equal to set of all first element 1, 2, 3, all first element student 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then students, find range, domain and range. Range students, all second element of the given relation. All second element students, 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. This is the required solution students. This is the relation represented by roster form. This is the relation represented by arrow diagram, and this is the domain of the relation and range of the relation students. So we will move next question, question number 3 students. Question number 3. I hope you all are getting it very well students. So question number 3 students. Question number 3. Question number 3 students. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then B is equal to students 4, 6 and 9. Define a relation R from A to B. Define a relation R from A to B by R is equal to XY, where the difference between X and Y is odd. The difference between X and Y is odd students. The difference between X and Y is odd, where X belongs to set A and Y belongs to set B students, and write R in roster form. And write R in roster form students. Roster form. So students, A is equal to given solution students. Solution. What will do students? What will do? First of all student, try to find the Cartesian product. It means A cross B. Then find the relation. Difference between X and Y is odd. It means students, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B is equal to 4, 6, 9 students. Therefore, A cross B is equal to 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9. Then students, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9. Then students, 5, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 9. This is the Cartesian product students. So relation R is equal to 1 minus 4 student, otherwise 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is an odd number. 4 minus 1, 1 minus 4. डिफरेंस अगर दिया है स्टूडेंट, डिफरेंस का मतलब होता है x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू ऑड. तो इसका मतलब हुआ चाहे x माइनस वाई करो चाहे y माइनस x. तो 4 माइनस 1 3 आने वाला है स्टूडेंट. तो रिलेशन हुआ 1 4. 1 6 6 माइनस 1 5 1 6 स्टूडेंट्स. 1 9 9 माइनस 1 करेंगे तो 8 आने वाला है स्टूडेंट. इसके लिए ये आंसर में नहीं आने वाला है. 2 4 4 माइनस 2 2 करेंगे नहीं आने वाला है. 2 6 4 आएगा डिफरेंस नहीं आने वाला है. 2 9 7 होगा स्टूडेंट्स 7. सो 2 9. देन 3 4 स्टूडेंट्स. देन 3 9 6 आने वाला है नहीं होगा. 5 4 स्टूडेंट्स. देन 5 6 and then 5 9 नहीं होगा स्टूडेंट. दिस इज द रिलेशन स्टूडेंट्स. 3 4 3 6 2 9 3 4 3 6 भी होगा स्टूडेंट्स. 3 6 3 6 बिकॉज 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 9 नहीं होगा. 5 4 होगा स्टूडेंट्स एंड 5 6 होगा स्टूडेंट. 5 9 9 minus 5 4 आएगा. ये भी नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज द रिलेशन स्टूडेंट्स. रिलेशन हुआ स्टूडेंट्स रोस्टर फार्म. रिलेशन ये हो गया रोस्टर फार्म स्टूडेंट्स. रोस्टर फार्म. देन स्टूडेंट्स this is the relation in roster form. So next question students. So next fourth one students. Question number fourth one. Fourth one student, the figure shows a relationship. The figure shows a relationship. The figure shows a relationship between the set P and Q. Between the set P and Q. Write the relation. Write the relation. Write the relation first in set builder form and second one roster form. Roster form. And what is its domain and range? What is its domain and range students? So students, figure according to question given that P and Q 5 6 7 and 3 4 5 students. 5 6 7 and 3 4 5. It obvious the relation R is difference between X and Y. Student, we observe that solution. Students, we observe that relation is given whose difference between first and second element is always 2 students. So in set builder form students, R is equal to XY such that X minus Y is equal to 2 students. X minus Y is equal to 2. Always 5 minus 3 2. 6 minus 4 2. 7 minus 5 2. Where students X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. This is the set builder form students. Set builder form. This is the first one. Second one student, roster form. Directly written in order pair form. Roster form, it means directly written in order pair form students. So 5 3 6 4 and 7 5. This is the roster form student. What is its domain students? So domain is always first element of the set students. Domain is always first element of the set. 5 6 and 7. And students, range range, second element of the order pair, students. Range is equal to, students, 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. This is the required solution, students. Hence, we will move question number 5th one. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Let R is the relation on A defined by R is equal to, students, solution R is equal to AB, where A divides B, student, and you all know relation is always subset of the Cartesian product, student. So इसका कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट अगर हम करेंगे तो क्या आने वाला है, A क्रॉस A होने वाला है, स्टूडेंट. 1 1 1 लेंगे सबके साथ, तो ये देखो स्टूडेंट्स, 1 1 1 इज डिवाइड 1, 1 2 1 is also divide 2. A divide B, student, फर्स्ट नंबर डिवाइड सेकंड नंबर. 1 के साथ 3 लेंगे, ये भी डिवाइड करेगा. 1 के साथ 4 लेंगे, 1 is also divides 4 and 1 is also divides 6, student. Then we will take 2 2 1 2 1 नहीं लेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, 2 1 नहीं लेंगे because 2 does not divide 1. So 2 1 नहीं लेंगे, 2 2 लेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. 2 3 नहीं लेंगे because 2 does not perfectly divide 3. So 2 4 लेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, 2 6 लेंगे. देन 3 1 नहीं लेंगे, 3 2 नहीं लेंगे, 3 4 नहीं लेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, 3 6 लेंगे. देन 4 1 4 2 4 3 नहीं लेंगे, 4 4 लेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, 3 3 भी लेंगे, 3 3 3 6 and 4 4 and students 6 6. This is the relation, students. This is the relation. Relation 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 6 2 2 2 4 3 3 3 6 4 4 6 6. Students, clearly this is the relation. Why, student? Because first element divide second element. First element divides second elements. So this is the relation, students. And right roster form ही हो गया students. Second, find domain and range, students. Find domain and range. Therefore domain of R is equal to first element, student. First element of the all order pair 1 2 3 4 and 6. 1 2 3 4 and 6 is equal to A भी लिख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. रेंज range of R is equal to, students, range all second elements 1 2 3 4 6 2 4 6 3 6 4 6. It means 1 2 3 4 and 6. This is the range of the relation. This is the domain of the relation. So range is also equal to A, students. Then students, we will move question number 6th one. Question number 6th one, determine the domain and range. Determine the domain and range, students. So R is equal to x plus 5, students, where x belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, students. So put x equal to 0, then R is equal to, students, 0 and 0 plus 5. Students, if x equal to 0, then x plus 5 equal to 0 plus 5 equal to 5. So क्या लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पेयर 0 and 5. Then we will take 1, then x plus 5, 1 plus 5 equal to 6. So 1 and 6 student. In this manner, we will complete the order pairs 1, 6 and students 2, 7, then student 3 plus 5, 3, 8, then student 4 plus 5, 4, 9 and students 5 plus 5, 5, 10. So student, this is the relation. यहाँ पर x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3 पुट अप करते जाएंगे तो ये ऑर्डर पेयर्स मिल जाएंगे. दिस इज द रिलेशन स्टूडेंट्स. देयरफॉर डोमेन, all first elements students, domain is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All first elements is known as domain. And range students, all second element of the order pair. All second. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 student. This is the range. So this is the proper solution student. Next we will move question number 7th one students. Question number 7th one. So students, I hope you all are getting it very well. Next question number 7th one. Those who are watching video, please comment your name students. So student, question number 7. Question number 7. Write the relation. Write the relation. Write the relation R is equal to x cube in order pair form student, such that x is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10 students. Less than 10. This is the set builder form. So less than 10 in roster form. In roster form students. It means students, how will do? So students, given that x is a prime number, so x is equal to students solution. X is equal to prime number 2, 3, 5 and 7 students. X is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7 is a prime number less than 10. Therefore students, x cube, x equal to 2, then x cube equal to 2 का cube equal to 8. X equal to 3, x cube equal to 27. X equal to 4, x cube equal to 64. X equal to 5, then x cube equal to 125 student. X equal to 7, then x cube equal to student 343. So order roster form students, roster form of relation. Roster form of relation R is equal to 2, 8, 327, 464 and 5, 125. Then students 7, 343. X and x cube, because relation is given students. R is equal to x and x cube. First element is x and second one is x cube. So roster form of the relation is students. Roster form of relation is 2, 8, 327, 5, 125 and 7, 343. So student, next we will move question number 8th one. Pause the video and write down the solution students. So next question, eighth one student. Eighth one student. Let A equal to, let A is equal to x, y, z, x, y, z, and B equal to 1, 2 students. Find the number of relation from A to B. Find the number of relation from A to B students. So, students, relation is given that A is equal to x, y, z. Therefore, number of A is equal to 3. B is equal to 1, 2 student. Therefore, number of element of B is equal to 2. So, student, number of relation if NA equal to M and NB is equal to N equal to 2 raised to M into N. Number of relation if N equal to, number of NA equal to M and number of the element of set B is equal to N. Therefore, relation is 2 raised to Mn students. Therefore, 2 raised to 3 into 2, 2 raised to 6 students, total 64. This is the required answer students. If N number of element of set A is equal to M, number of element of set B is equal to N students, therefore number of relation is equal to 2 raised to Mn. So 2 raised to Mn equal to 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64 students. So I hope student you are getting very well. So next question students, ninth one, we will move question number ninth one. Pause the video and write down the solution students. Next question, ninth one students. Question number ninth one. Let R be the relation, R be the relation. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R is equal to, defined by R is equal to AB, such that A belongs to Z and B belongs to Z students, and A minus B is an even integer, and A minus B is an even integer students, even integer. Find domain and range. Find domain and range students. So question number ninth one students, R is equal to AB, R is equal to order pair form AB such that A minus B is equal to even integer, where A belongs to Z and B also belongs to Z students. Now A minus B is an even integer. Now A minus B is an even integer. Now a minus b an even integer, provide a and b are both, provides a and b are both even or odd, are both even or odd. Therefore domain is equal to integer and range is also integer. Integer, any integer, any integer, students. So this is the domain and range. Student, according question given that a minus b is an even integer, a minus b is an even integer, तो a minus b हमेशा even integer होगा जब स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग 3 लिए, 1 लिए, 5 लिए, 7 लिए, 9 लिए और 7 लिए. इट मीन्स जब हम सब नंबर्स को ऑड लेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, सभी नंबर्स को ऑड लेंगे, लेट r इज इक्वल टू हमने लिया 3 1 5 7 9 7, तो क्या आया स्टूडेंट्स, माइनस करो, 3 माइनस 1 2 आया, 5 माइनस 7 क्या आया 2 आया, 9 माइनस 7 2 आया. अदरवाइज स्टूडेंट हम ऐसा भी ले सकते थे 4 6 8 6. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स या तो दोनों पेयर इवन का ले लो या तो दोनों पेयर के नंबर ऑड के ले लो. ये देखो दोनों इवन लिया, माइनस करो, इवन आया, दोनों ऑड लिया 3 and 1, तो 3 माइनस 1 करेंगे स्टूडेंट क्या आने वाला है, इवन आया. 5 माइनस 7 करेंगे स्टूडेंट क्या आया, इवन आया. ऐसे 4 माइनस 6, अदरवाइज 6 माइनस 4 करेंगे क्या आया स्टूडेंट 2 आया. 8 माइनस 6 करेंगे स्टूडेंट क्या आया. तो सब माइनस करने पर इवन आ रहा है, बट हमने लिया क्या है, इवन. ऑड ऑड लिया है, इवन इवन लिया है. तो सब फर्स्ट एलिमेंट देखो 3 5 9 4 8, मतलब इवन इंटीजर भी आ रहा है, ऑड इंटीजर भी आ रहा है, फर्स्ट में भी और सेकंड में भी आ रहा है इवन और ऑड इंटीजर. देयरफॉर डोमेन इज आल्सो जेड एंड रेंज इज आल्सो जेड, एनी इंटीजर. तो डोमेन भी कोई भी इंटीजर हो सकता है, रेंज भी कोई इंटीजर हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स. सो I hope you all are getting it very well, and those who are watching the video, please like and share students. Thank you. That's all.